it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel where we're all about natural care for locks, and I also touch base on natural skincare for dry, sensitive skin. Now in this video I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did this faux locks goddess lock style on my hair. So what I'm gonna do first is show you guys what products I use. So I use this pack of Marley hair, and I got it from Amazon because, you know, with COVID and stuff and being this pregnant, I'm not trying to go out anywhere. So I got it shipped from Amazon, and this is a 1B. It was 4 packs for $16.50. And then I got this Marley hair. I'm actually gonna open it. So it comes like this. And then you could just separate them. They come with 24 pieces each in each pack, and I got a 6-pack for $14, but I only used 3 because my head is really small. And with the Marley hair, I only also use 3 packs out of the 4 because I have a small head. If you have a regular size head, you will probably need 4 to 6 packs of the Marley hair, and probably about 4 or 5. I'll say about the same amount, depending on the size of your head and how much locks you have too. You'll need 4 to 6 packs of the goddess locks. Now I have 72 locks in my hair, so I have 36 on the right, 36 on the left, because I have like a split in the middle. So, and for both hairs I got 1B. So I'm going to show you now how I actually did these two. Well, how I did the whole head actually. I'm gonna show you. So it's already like parted there, and then it took me, how long did it take me? I'll say it took me about 12 hours to get these things done, with like breaks in between and stuff like that. Being 9 months pregnant, I'm 38 weeks pregnant, and I'm doing this. I just want to look cute for my baby. So I already I spray my hair, and then I oil it. Oil the scalp or what's not. My hair is freshly washed, so it does not have a retwist. I'm sure if you already have a retwist in your head and you do decide to do this, then it will be much easier. But since I've just washed my hair and I did not retwist, I have to kind of retwist it a little bit. I'll just take my hair, do a light retwist on it to make it look a little neat, and I'm gonna check that out in the mirror. And then I'll just put the latch hook right in my hair. Right there. That's fine. Then I'll take the crochet lock, add it straight to this, snap it in, pull it through. And then when you pull it through, you're gonna take the loop from the crochet lock and just put the lock through, and then that's it for that part. And then I twist it a little bit just to make sure that it stays like nice and neat. Then I'll take the Marley hair, kind of give it a nice little, you know, stretch a little. And then I'll take it, add piece of the hair. I'll take the Marley hair, and I have like a little length. I don't put that much length onto it. I just put a little bit, and then you just wrap it around. So you just keep wrapping it around, and you make sure that you're wrapping it tightly. Some people wrap it loose because they do like the goddess distress locks. I didn't want distress locks. I just wanted regular locks with like the curls at the end to give it a little oomph. But when you're twisting it and turning it around, make sure that if you don't want it distressed, you make sure that you don't miss any spaces when you're twirling it. Now when you do the back of your hair, it's kind of hard because, especially if you're doing it by yourself, well, of course. So it's kind of hard because you can't really see, but you know, just use a mirror and try to work as best as you can. It's gonna take a long time just to straighten out your pots and stuff like that, but it's gonna be worth it in the end because the style is very nice. It's protective, you don't have to worry about your hair, and that's really why I'm putting this in too, hopefully to protect my hair after I deliver my baby, because I know I can keep these in for a while. I want to have it in so, you know, some people go through hair loss when they have like after like between 6 to 8 weeks after labor. So I wanted to, you know, protect my beautiful locks that I love so much. And that's also why I didn't add a rubber band, because I see most people like would add a rubber band to the root to keep the locks stable or whatever. I'm not trying to put a rubber band in my hair and it take out my hair, so I'm comfortable with it just like this. So my Marley locks stop here. You could keep going if you want to, but they actually blend together really nice, so you're not usually really able to tell when they go to the difference. So I know I stopped here, so I light it with a lighter, and that's it. And then what I do with the ends, sometimes they're not as squaggly. They just don't be puffy enough for me. I want it to be more puffy instead of all together, so I'll just rub my finger or grab my comb and tangle it out just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys again. So I take my hair and just comb it out a bit. Take my gel. I do want to be honest though, this isn't really gel that I'm using. I would have just used like my aloe vera gel because I'm all into all that natural stuff, natural hair care, but this is very toxic what I'm doing, and I'm a little concerned, but it's okay. So I'm using this edge control thing because this was the only thing I had on hand other than some beeswax. I used that to put all around the hair because I didn't have any other gel at the moment, and I was really trying to get his hair done because, you know, at 38 weeks the baby could come at any time. So I really wanted to get this hairstyle did, so I just did that. I'm hoping after I will just do like an apple cider vinegar rinse and get this gel out my hair with this edge control. So then I did a soft retwist to it. So then I'll take this crochet, put it through right there. Take this Marley here, put it right on the latch, loop it, pull it through. Take this loop, take the Marley here, and pull it through. So this is what you have, right? You take the Marley here, and then you just wrap it, and you want to wrap it tightly. So at some points they do get a little bulky, so I just unravel it and then try to go over it one more time. This is a pretty long length for it to not have Marley here because it stops right here. It stops right here. So I mean, if you want to add some more Marley hair down here, like I said, it don't usually make a difference because they blend together really well. Nobody's gonna be able to tell that you like stopped with the Marley hair right there. So again, you just light it and then fix that. I think it looks a little weird, like all down, so I'll probably never wear it down. I'll always like try to style it. So I'll probably wear it like this for a while. I really don't want to put too much on my edges or what's not, because I don't want it to grow away. Now for like delivery, they usually say to have short hair, cause so the baby don't snag and what's not, but she gonna do what she wants. But yeah, this whole style costs like $30. And then, oh, I'm also gonna put some accessories in. Put these fake ass things in. Okay, so now I'm definitely done. I've added whatever accessories I wanted to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.